Iyo madama pongpongin pongpong sa pate kani dia komo Faito'O ne o ko la lelei o mokope kei mokope pongpongin pea ko lele mai ki e wharekof kani a tau tuitoa pea mai ki e ice latte ke Fakalelei'I ke kamata ko aho koe iyo ko oku koe wahe tueni ai ngahi kolo pe koe ngahi values ai mea o ko ma'o me he my experience e ko ngā au e mo mea pea moe lolo tongani e ngā au e mo kakai koe oku kua pongpongi ko kamata ai e whaki ai tamaiki e tau whanau ki he university pea oku mahu inga ia tau tolu koe na matua oku mahu inga ia kia mo tolu kia mo ilo i koe alo e tau whanau ki he ako koe ako koe mea aku whaingata ta tau te whito ki he ako university koe mea aku whaingata pea oku ilo pea oku mau ilo ka koe mea ani mau ilo koe mea e ua asa pate talangofua o talangata te oa te whakakaukau koe ni talangofua koe tau tala e mea ngofua ke alwe tau tahi nea whai tau sio pe i he context koe na koe a koe university taimi tatau oku tau te tala ki ai ko talangata a koe tala e mea ke ngata poko tau hanga put a stop kia na tolu ke ote na whai ko talangata a ia sio wha mana watapu i he context koe ni ko ia au tau talan alo ako ma alohe talangofua ara talangata a ni alu pe wakai na ke alo fatamaiki ko na ke alo kona mo e tamaiki pe wakai na ke alo hamaha pe wakai na ke alo ha so we put a stop o tau oange e tau tolu a tapu ki he tau taahine pe koe tau te whina pe tau te whine uhinga e utano ki te whine he kumahau inga recently mo lately I have been working pe moe pa moe tau whanau whine tau te whine whanau wako i he university pe ako talatu kanau talatu en kia koe whanau lelei mai aku depressed e tau whanau and it's getting more and more depressive I depressed e tau whanau whine ka tō lai Taha guys koe ha a depression te oatu ai whakakaukau koe ni whakaukau ni me he mana watapu ki hana whakarea ko a depression it's about giving up I'm done I had enough with having to carry all these thoughts in my mind, in my life. I've done with having to put up with my mom and dad's the way they are and I had enough of having ke talamai ke tuku e, talamai ke whai e, talamai ke tuku e, talamai ke ha, kana ilo ia mai ko hama. And they have been like that. Talo e ku aluhake. I want to be free and I had enough. That depression. You know, I need a deep rest. Ko depression. Ko peheia ko tuataha ko oku depression. Pe oku depressed. Pe oku ihe depressive position. Oku nausio ki he mamani. Oku sayang e mamani. And I'm bad. I'm not good enough. I don't have a value. Because I'm not me. Oku ikai keu Fai eo hoku loto o ku kai ke fai kono inga I always tala mai o ko ke fai e tuku e. I have never have a time to be me. Ke manawa ki loto mo manawa ki tua I he eko whakakaukau pa mo hoku loto pa mo what I want to do. And I had enough. Kua fiu ai atamai pia moisino I he Gary a tau tō e tau tō a tau tō tamai mo whae. I'm not blaming you guys, but this is a very good talanoa. O fia mao ia ke effort. This is and it's challenging. Pia oku. You can argue with that. Ke pole ia au I he talanoa koe ni. But this is the thing. We need oku layang e tau tala ki he tau whanau I he tau whanongo, which is we need to be more whanongo, listen and know ki he tau whanau I he tau tala. We always tell. Pako me aine Taha guys. Ta whao whanau. Pako ta whaia. Ko e ta wha, ko e te whainga ki te whanongo, ki te lava whanongo ki he leo e te whanau, whanongo ki he leo e te whanau, from inside out. Ko e te tawha ia po te operate ia e te whanau. You have to listen so that you can know deeper from inside out. O e te tahi nemata. Mandu e tau tawha koe ai hamea ki si ki he to'onga. Pako e tau tawha koe e tau whanau o tau sio ki he nau to'onga. Ko te hui koe e tau whanau o fia mao ia ke tau popo, ke tau step back, ke tau listen more. I he e tau lahiang e tau tala mea ka nau. Listen more before you tala. So you get what you tala. And plus, most of the time, we want them to do what we want them to do. So most of the time, it's all about us wanting them ke fai a mea au tau fia mao e tau do. Not listening to what they fia mao e nau do, maa nau do. So one of the problems is ko taha ngahi palparima mi he tau whaunga ko a tau tolu. We tau hinga ko e tau tala ko an ngata ko tala ngata a ko tau hanga ko put a stop on the tapu ka nau tolu. It's for our own insecurity pa mo e tau manawahe ma tau fia a tau tolu. So step back and stay on your own process. O ku mawhasia a whakakaukau e tatama I he ako. He ku I kai ka whai alu po ako. O ku lahi mohe u mea. Pia ko te o ate o koe mai u tapu koe ke nau carry. Pa ke nau whikuki mo ia. O ku toe tānaki ia ki a nau tolu. Pia nau hela ia e whakakaukau ai. Or put them into a depressive position. And it's not good. Guys, it's not good when they are in a depressive position. Kono inga beha, ko inga they see the world is better than them. They are not good enough because they are not them. O whaka mo ma o sa patilele ma kailu si pilelei a o whātu.